My name's Shani Schofield and I'm an interior designer at Fruition Design. And today I wanted to talk you through one of our current domestic projects that we've been working on since the start of early this year for our Fruition Design home branch. The client was wanting a Japandi themed design for their new build bedroom and bathroom extension for their home. So for those of you that don't know what a Japandi style is, it's a mixture between Japanese and Scandinavian design. Japanese style interior design is deeply rooted in traditional Japanese culture, which values simplicity, mindfulness and functionality. And Scandinavian interior design has many of the same principles, emphasising the use of the clean lines and natural materials. What I think works really well in the space is the fact that we've used predominantly black details that contrast really well to the neutral earthy tones and light tones that we've got going on in the space, which create a really relaxing atmosphere as soon as you enter the bedroom. The client came to us wanting the maximum amount of storage they could fit in the space, so we wanted to use this in a way to generate a wow factor when you came into the bedroom as well. The whole stretch of the full height wardrobes really draw the eye down the space and just adds that nice warm natural tone to the bedroom, and it's the focal point. As soon as you walk in, that's just straight away what you see. And the walk-in wardrobe, we really wanted to make a bit of a wow factor as well. So we wanted to make it as if it's its own entity, kind of stood in the middle of the room, and there's plenty of little hidden aspects to it, some shelving behind mirrors and some prongs to hang jewellery, and obviously plugs so that you can do your hair, and this is just a whole station for getting ready. The bathroom is a smaller space, so you don't want too many different tones going on in there. So to make that interesting, we've incorporated different textures with the feature wall tile. So this contrasts well with the black features in the space.